Picture this, your brand new home on 3 wooded acres. This new construction home is already turning heads with its curb appeal. It is not finished, but let me help you picture what it's going to look like. Follow me. Picture this, an open concept, living room, kitchen, dining room, light, bright, and airy. Act now so you can pick out your finishing touches. On this side of the home, you're gonna find 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath. Check it out. Now on this side of the home, you're gonna find a laundry room, the entrance to the garage, and the basement, along with a primary suite that includes a walk-in closet. Go check it out. This home has 1,580 square feet of living space, but it also comes with an unfinished basement that has a rough-in for a 3rd bathroom. Picture this, you finishing this space. If you can picture yourself living here, give me a call. I'm Amanda Downs with LPT Realty.